Friends, Vande Mataram. Before we go ahead with the November 2023 stock market astrology predictions, let's discuss something about what exactly happened in October 2023 and what exactly I predicted. I had given two statements where it was required from you people, the people who are experienced with this stock market astrology, stock market, definitely stock market. So I would say that I had predicted that market would get closer by around 20,000 points. Nifty I'm talking about. And also I have mentioned that nearby 23rd or 23rd, 4th of October 2023, because of some catastrophic in the world or something like war-like situation or something else, market can go down in US and India as well. And exactly that happened. So few people had a complaint also that we predicted around 20K and the market got closer today on 31st of October around 19,079. So here I would say when you are in the stock market, you should listen what someone is saying and you should consider each and every aspect of the stock market and every point exactly. And if I said 24th of October and if you have seen that here the market is going down, so you should have considered, those my predictions and you should have come out of the market also. In which many people they followed my advice and they sent Thanksgiving mail also and on my person mobile a lot of Thanksgiving thanks also from many people and definitely complaints are always there. So well friends, so before we go ahead with the 1st November, let me, yeah, there are few questions also. So this question I'll consider later on. And before we start, let me give you for one tip on till 10th of November 2023. A Nifty can be between 18,680 till 19,300 between this figure. So be careful before you make any heavy investment or before you book any losses. Be careful. Now, on Diwali also, I'm going to give you one more tip and conclusion, final figure I am also going to share with you guys. So on 1st of November, I can see around 40 point down. 2nd of November, downtrend I can see again. And again, these are astrological predictions on the basis of fundamental of Medini Jyotish, mundane astrology. On 3rd of November, market will be positive for IT sectors. And I can see a positivity like the closure will be on the upper side. 4th and 5th November, it's holiday. 6th of November, I can see down in the morning, like when the market will open, it will open from the lower side and after then a little upper side. So the closure of the market by 3:30 p.m. maybe around 5 to 20 points on the upper side, or we can also consider a neutral position. So be careful on this 6th of November. 7th of November, Bank Nifty will go high and market will get closer on the upper side. 8th of November, down again. 9th, again down. 10th, 8th and 9th, it's down. Whenever I'm saying down, it's not the meaning of that, the market will start open as a down. No. So up and down trend will be there. So the people who are experienced in stock market trading, future and option, definitely those people they can get a lot of profit also because they know if the market is going down, then how to make the profit out of the market. 10th of November, down, but finally it will go upper side and the closer will be on the higher side. 11th of November, it's a holiday, and 12th of November, it's a Diwali. So, friends, I'm wishing you a very happy Diwali to all of you. And on the Diwali day, I think market will open for 1 or 2 hours, a very small time. So the trend will be for the upper side. Now, okay, I'll tell this point later. 13th of November down, 14th again down, 15th again down, and 16th of November opening will be in the downtrend, and then gradually market will start going higher side, and after 12:40 p.m. market will start going on the upper side and will get closer on the positive note. 17th of November, 80 point up. Now the prediction is on 16th and 17th of November, I can see Nifty around 18,600. Again, this is the figure I have calculated with the fundamentals of mundane astrology. 20th of November, because 18th and 19th it's holiday. 20th of November, again the market will get closer on the positive note, upper side. 21st down, 22nd again down. 23rd of November, market will be on the upper side since morning. It will be on the positive note since morning and gradually will keep on going higher. Definitely a downtrend will also be there in between, because that's the way of booking the profit in the speculation market. So around 70 point upper side, the closer. 24th of November, again up the positive note, and 25th and 26th of November, it's a holiday. 27th, again it's a holiday. Had it been not the case of holiday, then the day was very positive. 28th, upper side, and the day is positive. 29th, again positive. 30, IT sector will be going on a higher side. Again, before I tell you the conclusion and before I address all your questions, the repeated answer which I am going to give again, a lot of questions from many people, because we get so many mail in our admin system, and from like a lot of messages are for me also from many people, that there are a lot of people who are watching my videos, and according to them, whatever they see, it happen exactly, but they get impulsive because they get fear, they feel very lot of impulsiveness, and they sell immediately, or they take their own decision also while doing trading and future in option, and they book a lot of losses also, even following the proper advice. For those people, it's my advice. It might happen that this market is not for you. So, better you should check your horoscope with your Vedic astrologer or corporate astrologer, or the astrologer who are doing stock market astrology. So, in the horoscope, the fifth house, it indicates whether you would get profit from this speculation market or not, whether you would get profit for the long-term investment from the dividends, future and option, trading, gold, silver, or a lot of businesses are also there. So friends, be careful. And yes, again, there was a question just now, whether someone can take the consideration from me. Yes, friend, I also do provide astrology, like this stock market astrology predictions on the individual basis. I do call by myself always. But yes, the time, like, the delay, waiting period is very, very high. So you can talk to our team. Number is given on the screen. So they can give you the proper appointment date. Now I'm going to tell you the conclusion. The closer I can see on 30th of November around 19,582. Now I'm going to address all your questions. Okay, so many questions are there. Rajiv Sharma ji, I think you did not listen the complete video. Pranam sir, आपको, because I have given this, that why I have predicted 20K and what exactly had happened. So I would appreciate if you could listen the video from start. अंकुर रॉय, स्टील सेक्टर का शेयर कैसे रहेगा? अंकुर जी, steel will start going high after March 2024. Yeah, I'm giving you this lump sum data, lump sum figure. Though I have calculated a little, and definitely when Diwali festival is there, steel is always high during that time. Deepa Keshwani, you said, Deepa Keshwani, I think you did not listen the complete video. Please, I would appreciate if you could listen the video from starting. Thanks to you also. Your ID is something how technology works 3D. Prabha Singh, oil prices future. Prabhaji, I'll try my best to give a proper video on oil prices because this EV vehicles are also coming. So there is a question about oil sector in the coming time. But currently you can buy crude oil, etc. So there will be no problem. You can keep on buying. What will the long prospect of the stock market? I have invested heavily with 2030 as a target. PA Sudhir. Sudhir ji, just don't worry. You will get benefited. Yes, there is an ID named How Technology Works 3D. So friends, the people who had a complaint about the figure I had given for 20K, this person has mentioned that your prediction of 24th October was totally correct, but now your guidance is totally required. We need a general guidance for the whole month. Shall we hold or buy? I would say please hold. KR 666 about US video till 2030. It's difficult. My dear friend, it takes a lot of time when we do make calculation on the basis of mundane astrology because there are a lot of transits, and when we do provide prediction globally, then we need to see the positioning of Saturn, Jupiter, the main planets, and we cannot leave Mars also when we need to see the war-like situation. So Mars is moving after every around 75 days to other sign. So it's very, very difficult to give the prediction till 2030. But yes, on the war front, I'm going to give such kind of video that when this like peace will come and what would be the year when this like situation currently we can see between Russia, Ukraine, Israel, and Hamas, and like there will be will peace of like mind on everybody's in the like whole world. So that kind of prediction I'm going to give soon. Rakesh Anandji, I think you joined late. Please listen the complete video from start. Yeah, exactly. In near December also, I can see a crash, and I'll give the indication of that particular date also. For the long term, there is no problem if the companies are good. Gold, Sachin Doshi ji, I can see nearby Diwali around 66. And there is a question from Kutuk Sakina that this is a very good channel, and do I take 9:15 a.m. for stock market Kundi? Sakina ji, it's very, very difficult to make the calculation on everyday basis, because if if I would start doing the same, it will be very, very difficult for me to live my personal life. So that's why I provide monthly prediction. I know sometime it like the best way is that I should give a weekly prediction, and that can bring around 98% accuracy. But I hope you understand it's difficult to give, and it might happen that I'm in travel many time and I can forget giving you weekly prediction, and again there will be a lot of complaint from you people. So the base is not 9:15 a.m. The base is something different on the nakshatra constellations and the transits. The user ID is JGD. I have mentioned about banking and financial institution sector, so please listen the video carefully again. Manishi, I'll try to give you a lump sum date about the crash. Yes. Sukina ji, Saxena ji, auto sector will definitely go high. Maybe the problem will be till end of November, or you would hear any kind of news by this time, and by maybe in November also for few days, and after then there will be no problem. Still, I did not study that whether what will be the situation in December. Ritvik Srivastavaji, I have mentioned already about banking stocks short-term views in this video itself. Please listen again. And Sachin Doshi, I don't know, like you have asked the same question again about the gold I have mentioned already. Ankur Roy ji, in December also, I could like I calculated few dates. So I would recalculate, because when I'm working, so I don't have anyone in my profile who could question me. So here I'm the person who is doing the verification, एंड वैलिडेशन पार्ट आल्सो। आई नो योर इंडियन, मैं हिंदी में बात बताता हूँ। आपने एक मूवी देखी होगी, फूल और कांटे, जिसमें अमरीश पुरी ने कहा था कि जेलर भी वही है और फांसी भी लगाने वाला वही है, जज भी वही है और पुलिस वाला भी वही है। तो अंकुर जी, हमारा भी यही हाल हो जाता है ज्योतिष में कि जब आप सारी चीज़ें इकट्ठी करने की कोशिश करते हैं एंड व्हेन यू हैव नो वन इन योर टीम हु इज़ एज एक्सपर्ट एज यू आर, सो डेफिनेटली नो डाउट कई बार गलतियां होने के चांसेस होते हैं। इवन आई कैन डू मिस्टेक्स ऑल्सो बिकॉज आई एम ऑल्सो ह्यूमन बींग. So it's all calculation, and sometime it happens also when we keep on doing the calculation, and when you're typing on the calculator, so maybe you're typing 5 and by mistake you clicked on 8. So you can understand where the calculation would go on. So someone should be there to validate your predictions. Priya ji, you have given your date of birth, Muradabad. Okay, I'll see if I would have time. I'll give you. And KRS 666. No, I did not mention that war-like situation will happen till 2031, not end of 31. But yes, I can see till 2031 mid or first quarter. So again, I'll give a proper video with proper transit, proper calculation. Priyal Vyas ji has mentioned that my October predictions are accurate. Thank you, Priyal ji. At least I know you have followed all the points which I had mentioned in the predictions. And you took it very carefully and you calculated, you made the calculation by your own also. That's what I have been telling many times, that don't follow my prediction blindly. If I'm giving any kind of tips in between, any clue, please follow those things also. Be cautious always. Manish Singhal ji, I'll definitely give prediction maybe by December next month when I'm going to give prediction. So if there would be some kind of trend, I'll give, or maybe I can do one thing. If I would be able to come to that particular point, I might give you around 1 to 2 minute short video about the prediction. I would make sure I won't give short, but I would give video, because when we give that shorts, so people don't get notification. Bhagyashri Healthcare, they had mentioned when the Nifty will go below 18,000. I'll see if something would happen. Will gold reach 65 till Diwali? Dipesh, I have already mentioned the figure also nearby Diwali. So please listen the complete video. See, user ID is Arvind PV. How will the market perform in 2024-25? Arvindji, it's very like, as you know that I'm giving you monthly data. So again, if I would find any clue, I will definitely tell you I'll definitely share the trend of the market. But right now, I cannot say anything. Priya Vyasji, I have already mentioned about the Nifty break level. Priyash Dwivedi ji, I have already mentioned about Bank Nifty also. Maybe you have joined just now. So I think there are no more questions. Yeah, like definitely I want to answer this question. The user ID is how technology works 3D. Friend, I used to give lectures also earlier before COVID time, before 2019 rather. But since I've been mentioning many time in all my videos that I'm a businessman and I'm running a software company as well, and I have some mining businesses also. So health is very important, and I'm health freak. So I just don't want to compromise with my health. And if I would get any spare time in near future, definitely I would start giving lectures of astrology online or maybe offline. But for teaching astrology, I never charged anyone, and that I don't want to that part I want to keep in that way always, because for the teaching I don't want to charge anyone. And yes, for about my health videos, like fitness videos, if you want, you can follow my video, my personal channel. In my all the videos, my team have been nowadays they have been giving my personal channel link also. So in my last video also, Israel video, you can see in the description part my personal channel link. And here I can share also. If you want, you can follow my personal channel. Yeah, that's like, and yes, if you would have any question, then I can answer your question there also, because in AstroKapoor I don't check all the messages, and in my personal channel I check my all the messages. I'm not able to find the link. Just hold on. Yeah, friend, here I'm sharing my link of my personal channel in the chat. So definitely I promise, if in near future if I would start teaching, I'll definitely broadcast, and you can connect me during that time. हाँ कुछ कहना है? Thank you. Very good question, KRS 666. What will happen to this world when Saturn changes to Aries post 2031 after completing a full cycle of 28 years? 2031? I think maybe you are mistaken somewhere. Saturn will be in Aries nearby 2027, and in 2031 Saturn will be in Gemini, in Aries sign. And in 2034, what will happen exactly? I have given one video about many cities of the world, the cities who are nearby by water and nearby sea, rivers. They will face a lot of problem. Sinking issues I can see. A lot of waters I can see in the cities itself. So I have given that video around 1 month ago. Yes, about the Pak war. I have given videos on that part also. You can check in our AstroKapoor channel. Rajeshji, thank you. Thanks for praising my predictions of last month and every month. So friends, please allow me today. I think we can close the call to again one more question, but at the long-term prospect of Coal India and RAC. Again, Sudhirji, I don't want to comment on these person scripts because unless I haven't studied well, so I think that would be an injustice, telling something to you and later on if something happen, I will be blamed in that way. Sohanji, I like your message. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Vande Mataram. So friends, I think we can close for today. So give me permission for today and Bharat Mata ki Jai.